Dear colleagues, I'm glad to have another cup of tea with you. In today's lesson, I will show a demo lesson on grammar and share some tools to conduct your lesson in a more creative way. I will use materials from the course book for the 6th grade. If you wish, you may turn in your book to Unit 11, pages from 185 till 186. While watching my demo lesson, please pay attention to the way I elicited the meaning and the function of the target structure. After the lesson, we will meet again and discuss it with another cup of tea. Hello dear students, how are you today? Last time we talked about farm animals and their babies. Today you will learn the plural forms of nouns. Now, can you look at this picture? What animal is it? Right, it's a cow. What's the plural form of cow? Cows, right? What about this cute animal? Right, it's a puppy. And these are puppies. Can you name this animal? This is a sheep. But what if there are 3 of them, like in this picture? Do we say sheeps? No, we say sheep. Let's play a game now and group these animals into singular and plural.
Jamendo.com.
Let's look at the table and complete it. Now, write the plural form of these nouns. If you want, you can look at the table once again. When you finish, please work with your partner and compare your answers. Then we will check all together. Number 1, a baby, babies, a wife, wives, a gentleman, gentlemen, a day, days, a bush, bushes, a cherry, cherries, a boy, boys, a goose, geese, a wolf, wolves, a foal, foals, a bus, buses, a potato, potatoes. Now rewrite the following sentences into plural. When you finish, please work with your classmate and compare your answers. So now let's check together. My sisters have got children. Number 2, there are sheep in front of the trees. I don't need those books. He saw films last week. These women are reading newspapers. The babies lying on the bed are my nephews. Bring me those boxes, please. My uncles have got geese, cows, horses, and goats. Well done. Now correct the words that are in the incorrect plural. Now let's look at the answers. Now complete the sentences with the plural forms of the words in brackets. When you finish, work with your friend and compare your answers. Now it's time to check your answers. Number 1, there are a lot of wolves in this area. 2, look at the dog with her puppies. 3, there are 4 people in the office. 4, in autumn, leaves change their colors. 5. My grandparents grow strawberries, potatoes, and tomatoes. 6. Cats catch mice. 7. Do fish sleep? So now let's play a game and have fun. So you can see 3 boxes. You have to choose one that is correct. What is the plural form of fox? Fox, foxes, or fox with S at the end? Of course, B is correct. Plural form of echo. Which one is correct? Right. Plural form of knife. Knives, knives with F or with V? A. Plural form of scarf. Of course, it's C. Plural form of goose. Correct, B. Plural form of a sheep. Sheeps or sheep? Sheep. So that's it for today. Thank you for coming and being good students. Goodbye, and I'll see you next time. Dear teachers, now it's time to have some tea and discuss the demo lesson. You probably noticed that I started my lesson with a game. What was its purpose? Did the students practice something, or was it just for fun? Well, we played this game to revise the vocabulary from the previous lesson. And also it was done not only to energize students, but also to smoothly move on to the main parts of the lesson, which was the introduction of the new grammar topic. After the game, I asked students to look at the pictures and say how the things and animals in the pictures were related to weather omens. I asked the students to explain to each other how they help to predict the weather in order to check their memory and activate their background knowledge. Then the students were asked to look at the table and complete it. Then they did the first exercise and wrote the plural forms of the nouns. It was done first in pairs, then we checked their answers in open class. After that, students rewrote the sentences into plural. See, we move from the easiest towards more difficult ones. But why is it done? Before working with a bigger chunk of language, students need to learn how to say or write the words correctly. After that, the students corrected the words that are incorrect. At this stage, after doing 2 exercises, do you think that students will be able to correct the mistakes? Yes, because practice makes perfect. And finally, they completed the sentences with the plural form of the words in brackets. As you have probably noticed, all of these tasks were for writing. Why did we do so many exercises for writing? In this grammar topic, it's very important for students to know how to write the plural forms of nouns, because most nouns add S ending, but not all of them. Students have to know which ending do we write after ch, sh, s, or x sounds. Also, the students should know the irregular plural nouns and how to spell them. It's very important. Also, you may have noticed that I used the online site to show the game. Let me tell you how to create activities on the World Wall site. I strongly encourage you to visit this site and have a look at the activities that you can use both when teaching online and offline. Don't forget to register first to be able to create your own activities. If you teach offline and you don't have a projector to show the game, you can copy the link and send it to your students' WhatsApp. If only they have an internet connection, everything will go smooth. I hope that after watching this lesson, you can conduct a good lesson on grammar using the World Wall site. If you have any questions regarding the lesson or methodology, please write to our email or in our website forum Need to Get This Info. Our Lingua T Club is always open to our professional talk. Goodbye, and I'll see you next time.
Welcome to Lingua T Club!